FlexClip isn't your average video editing tool. It's a game changer created with simplicity in mind. It's an online video creator created by Pearl Mountain that makes professional video production accessible to everyone. There is no longer a need for sophisticated software or a steep learning curve. You'll be astonished at how simple it is to create incredible videos with its user-friendly tools. Are you willing to give it a shot? Use my link in the description to go to FlexClip's website and create a free account. No credit card required. Once you're ready, log in and let your imagination run wild. You can now say goodbye to the trouble and hello to stress-free video production. After you have successfully logged in, you'll be presented with a beautifully minimalist screen. Click the orange Create a Video button. This will lead you to the Edit Mode and Ratio screen. You'll see options for 16:9 for long-form YouTube videos, 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, 1:1 for Instagram Reels, 4:5 for Facebook, and 21:9 for TV screens. We're going to stick with the default 16:9 because we're making a long-form YouTube video. Click Get Started to begin. Previous versions of FlexClip offered storyboard mode and timeline mode. FlexClip seems to have made timeline mode the standard option at the bottom left of the screen. However, storyboard mode is still accessible for those who want it by clicking on the orange timeline button. If you decide to work in storyboard mode, you can modify the transparency of the text, which will lend your video an additional dose of originality. If you want to work in timeline mode, on the other hand, you should be aware that adjusting the level of transparency of the text is not an option. Choose the setting that works best for you according to your preferences and the aesthetic you are going for. FlexClip provides you with these options, ensuring that you control the appearance and atmosphere of your video. Here's the deal. Timeline mode has a bonus that could tip the scales in its favor. This may be why it's now the default option. You can enhance your video in this mode by adding voiceovers and background music. Consider the effect your message could have with the fitting soundtrack or voice narration. So timeline mode might be the way to go if you want to add an extra degree of involvement and professionalism. It's all about making your video appear and sound good. We'll stick with the default timeline mode for our purposes. FlexClip will provide new users with a crash course that lasts about a minute. The article will take you step by step through the fundamentals, demonstrating how to add media seamlessly, fine-tune your timeline, sprinkle in effects, and take a sneak peek with previews. And it will walk you through the steps of exporting your masterpiece so that it may be shared with you. FlexClip will walk you through a series of simple steps to ensure you are making the most of every feature it offers. The next decision you need to make is what template you are going to use for your video. Templates are a quick way to stylize your video rather than bothering with overlays and backgrounds. I like the Technology Nucleus logo reveal template, so we'll use that one for our purposes. A script is an essential phase that must be completed before starting the video creation process. Don't worry if you are unsure how to get started because we have a solution for you. Click my link in the description to visit ChatGPT and prompt it to write a script on your behalf. ChatGPT can whip up a quick and snappy script for you designed to grab people's attention and pique their curiosity, regardless of whether you're interested in technology or any other niche of your choice. Having a script serves the same purpose as having a roadmap. It directs your video and ensures you cover all relevant topics. Now, before we move on, I know someone in the comments is going to ask this, so I'll address it here. Yes, you can make money from Google AdSense using videos created with AI. Yes, that includes AI voices. Yes, that includes GPT written scripts, but you're going to want to add your own expertise to it because ChatGPT will confidently give you the wrong answer. And yes, the big YouTuber who told you that you can't was misinformed and is probably just a paid actor. The possibility of monetizing AI-powered YouTube content is endless. It's time to move on now that your script has been locked and loaded. With your script in hand, you're ready to begin the video production process. Click on Tools at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. This will present multiple AI options such as text-to-video, AI image generator, AI video script, and text-to-speech. Let's click on text-to-video and paste our ChatGPT written script in here. We're going to leave the generation method as AI creation. Choose your preferred subtitle style and click the orange Generate button. The video will now be generated. Video creation is cloud-based and the time it takes will depend on your internet connection and server bandwidth. As with most text-to-video platforms, you have two primary media options. You may use FlexClip's media collection or bring your own media. You have the option of infusing your personality or selecting from a variety of professional solutions. FlexClip's versatility means that your video is entirely unique to you, from screenplay to aesthetics. Keep in mind that you can make even more fine-tuned adjustments to your scenarios, including changing the length of the scene. Positioning is essential. Do you want the text at the bottom, the top, or precisely in the center of the page? FlexClip has your back in this situation. Click anywhere on the screen and hover over the text in the scene you've created. Feel free to drag the text anywhere you'd like, using the guidelines that appear periodically or ignoring them entirely. Not only are these settings important, but they are also tools you may use to give your film a personal touch. Preparing your voiceover while you are putting together your scenes is a good idea, since this will help you save time. In this regard as well, FlexClip has got you covered. To create your voiceover, click on the subtitle tab on the far left of the screen. Just over your script, you'll see the option Subtitle to Speech. Clicking that exposes you to a host of language and voice options at your disposal. Now, normally this is the part of the video where I might encourage you to use 11 labs for your voiceover, but FlexClip's voices are shockingly good. My audience is overwhelmingly male, so let's try some male voices. We're gonna go to the voice drop-down menu and click the play button next to Guy to hear what he sounds like.
Bitcoin's high coincided with the stock market debut of Coinbase Global Incorporated, the biggest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange.
These sound similar to the neural voices we discovered in our review of Amazon Polly. Let's scroll a bit and give Brandon a try.
It seems clear that SpaceX has a significant lead over its competitors in the commercial space industry.
We'll scroll a bit further and give Roger a try.
As he approached, the young man scrutinized each of the dreamers. His dark eyes came beneath a red cockade hat.
These voices are surprisingly good. You can choose the voice that most suits your needs. Voices can be sped up, slowed down, or have the pitch altered with the dials under the voice drop-down box. I think I'll choose Roger for our purposes, but you can choose whomever you like. Scroll to the bottom of the subtitle page and click the orange Add to Timeline button to add your voiceover to the video. Check to see if your voiceover overlaps on the timeline, as your voiceover may be longer than the scene. Make sure you adjust the scene to be at least as long as the voiceover so there's no overlap. The next thing to do is to sprinkle in some background music. FlexClip offers you two different ways to proceed. Click on the Audio tab on the left of the screen to check out the available audio settings if you're feeling the vibe of the standard media. But hey, if you've got your own copyright-free music collection, there's no need to worry about anything. Simply click the Media button, select Local Files, then choose the location your files are kept, and upload them accordingly. Make sure that the background music's volume is lower than the voiceover so that it doesn't drown out the speech. Click on the background music on the timeline. A speaker icon will appear on the top left of the timeline. Reduce the volume to about 10 so that it's very subtle. Now that you've got the editing down pat, it's time to move on to the project's culmination. Press the play button, sit back, and enjoy the preview. With such seamless transitions, your video will have a finished and professional appearance. The specifics of its production will differentiate your video from the rest of the pack. If you like the preview, click the export button on the top right of the screen to download. Your masterpiece is now ready to be uploaded to YouTube.
In the roaring 2000s, automotive engineering reached new heights, birthing a generation of supercars that pushed the boundaries of speed and performance.
Here's something to keep in mind. If you're using the free version, your download quality is limited to 720p. But hey, if you're rocking the premium vibes, you'll be able to get your hands on that crisp 1080 HD bliss. FlexClip has two pricing possibilities for you. There is the free plan, which costs exactly $0 every month. I have the Plus package, which was $9.99, down from $19.99 if you choose annual billing. That works out to $119.88 each year. It seems like FlexClip might have phased that out recently. They are now offering a team plan, which costs $19.99, down from $29.99 with a yearly payment. That works out to $239.88 each year. Here's a clever trick. Opting for annual billing saves you up to 50% over monthly billing. But have I got something for you? The people at FlexClip love the Faceless family so much that they gave me a special discount code. Use the code DEBTBUSTERS to get 30% off your subscription. In a nutshell, keep in mind that the viral videos you create have the potential to earn you money. All you have to do is maintain your original content to avoid any copyright issues. The procedure is as simple as it gets. Simply maintain your consistency and strenuous effort to guarantee that everything functions properly. Now you know how to create viral AI-generated video with FlexClip. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to create YouTube Shorts with ChatGPT, Pictory, and 11 Labs. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how to create YouTube Shorts with ChatGPT, Pictory, and 11 Labs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.